reading na siya. Ito lang yung nakahibalo na on the day of the final reading, the third and final reading, kami, the members of Government Business Club, and I think the entirety of Governor Generoso, ito lang sila nakahibalo na naatay ipapasa na repeal ordinance sa mining. And because of this na, it's too late now. Wala namin time, to the best of our ability, wala namin nakahimo opposition paper opposing this ordinance. And that was the only time na nakahatag ng presensya namo dito sa Sangguniang Bayan during their third and final reading. It was too late for us to submit a position paper saying no to this ordinance.
Do you have any action, or are you going to file a formal complaint since you said that it does not follow the procedure in passing an ordinance since wala mo na consult during the consultation? So what is your action? Are you going to file a formal complaint?
As of the moment, I cannot give you full details as to what we are going to do next, but we are considering legal actions against these people.
Okay. Karon doon na yung mining, no? Sama sa gingon ni Ma'am Jerlyn kaganihan na exploration gingon, pero there's a mining activity already. What are your thoughts also in evaluating, how strict are we in terms of evaluation on the legal and technical aspects when it comes to the application process, especially sa inyong lugar sa Governor Generoso? Especially dali na dahil magkahimong paglinga diha sa inyong lugar. Ma'am Jerlyn.
As to the exploration permits na hawak nila, yung operation nila ngayon, naka-close watch talaga kami. Talagang naka-monitor kami kung ano pa yung mga activities na gagawin nila. Kasi sa ngayon, nire-ready na nila yung pantalan. May mga equipments na sila. So, sabi nga ni President Melay, ni Melissa, na we are considering on legal matters. Pero for now, ginagather pa namin yung lahat ng evidences para meron kaming magagamit na materials for evidences for our hopefully magkakaroon ng legal action against them. Ang worry, syempre daghan. I know it's been out in the news what happened to Davao Oriental last year, because it didn't only happen in Davao Oriental. It happened in Davao de Oro as well, no? Which we know, these areas mine areas in Davao de Oro, kung sa'yo nakita po sa ina, wala pa nabutaan na, di ba? So, sa amo ang experience, dili pa galing inanak kada ko ang operation sa mining sa among area. Naka-experience sa ganitong uglunok. I know you have seen it in social media, it even came out in the news, that we were underwater, under so much water in January and February of last year. So, dili na may gusto, no? Among kahadlok atong mga nahitabo atong mga tuiga na wala pa gani, dili pa gani full scale ang mining operation sa atong lugar. In ato na gani ka grabe, how much more kung hilabtan pa lang sa naka sa taas. So mo na amo ang concern.
Ma'am, doon na ba yung schedule na makisat down mo with the mayor?
As of
to talk about it?
Actually, no, we were sa gingon pa bitaw ni Mamiya, no, tungod kay wala mi na-appeal sa consultation, mura na blind side, di ba? So, sa as of now, wala mi kabalo, nag-a-appeal ni sa ilahang opisina na kung ma-veto pa nila, ma-veto ta, no? At the same time, wala pa man may schedule o appearance sa iyaha, pero at the same time, we are also doing what we can do to solicit parang people support sa among cause. Kay di mata mo sugod na si Mayor Kulot ba o may another mayor in the future, gusto na mo ipakita sa ilang among stand na dili gyud mi mo sugod og may bisan kinsa pa ang mulingkod sa among munisipyo.
Thank you, ma'am.